You're doing 91 and a 35, ma'am.
I'm sorry. This is my mom's car, and like
Dad, you almost wiped out that pedestrian in the crosswalk back there.
I'm sorry.
Well, sorry is not going to.
No,
if you hit the pedestrian, you can say sorry you want, but it's not going to fix the fact that you took out a pedestrian. You know what I mean?
I've watched a lot of traffic stops, but this Florida one from November 25th feels different. A 21-year-old named Chloe was clocked at 91 in a 35, over 50 above the limit, in her mom's car with open wine inside. And she apologized for all of it. So why couldn't this deputy just write her a ticket?
I'm sorry.
Okay, you seem like you're intoxicated as well. Yeah, I'm 10-4. I got one in custody. Why are you driving like that? Huh? I'm asking you.
Sorry.
All right, walk over here. All right, lean up against the hood of the car. I'm going to pat you down.
Okay.
You have anything in your pockets?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, turn around and face me. All right, you seem like you've been drinking a little bit. You smell like it.
Okay, I had one drink.
Okay. All right, are you willing to submit to field sobriety?
Yeah.
Okay, turn around. Turn around, please. This is the car. Yeah. I think she's been drinking too, so.
Are you guys really gonna arrest me?
Well, I'm gonna have you do field.
Seriously?
I'm gonna have you do field sobriety. Okay, to see if you're impaired to the point where you shouldn't be driving. Okay, do you have your license?
I do. It's not on me, but you guys can
Okay, is this your vehicle?
This is my mom's car.
All right, how old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay, stand in front of the bumper. I'm gonna grab a form.
What's your name?
Chloe.
Chloe, just take a deep breath, okay? We gotta, yeah, I know. We gotta do this investigation. So just proceed with it, okay?
Dad, you almost wiped out that pedestrian in the crosswalk back there.
I'm sorry.
Well, sorry is not going to.
No,
if you hit the pedestrian, you can say sorry you want, but it's not going to fix the fact that you took out a pedestrian. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you're driving like a nut job.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Okay, what is your name, ma'am?
Chloe.
All right, hang on. All right. Are you willing to?
I was going. Yeah, I'm willing to submit.
Okay. Yeah, you're doing 91 and a 35, ma'am.
I'm sorry. This is my mom's car, and like
And you almost, like I said, you almost took out the pedestrian.
I didn't see the pedestrian, and I'm really, really
Well, you
sorry.
can't see the pedestrian if you're driving like excessive. You know what I mean?
Okay, and
So-
I'm sorry. Like.
Okay.
Genuinely.
So you're willing to submit to field sobriety?
Yeah. What happens? Like.
Okay,
I don't want to get like arrested right now. Like,
Well, I'm going to ask you to perform some field sobriety exercises. You have the right to say yes or no.
What happens if I say no?
Well, then, if you say no, I'm going to base my judgment on everything that I see up to this point.
Then I guess I'll say yes.
Okay. So, I want you to stand just the way you are. Do you see the tip of this pen?
Yes.
I'm not trying to be a smart ass to you. I'm just telling you. So, what I want you to do is watch the tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. If you can't keep your arms down to your side. Okay. I'm going to shine the light. I'm not going to try to put it in your eyes, but I want to see what I'm looking at. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this pen side to side. And when I tell you to, I want you to follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Try not to move your head. Just follow the tip. Okay. All right. So I don't see nystagmus. Okay. You said you've had one drink?
I've had one drink, and I just was driving it fast because this is my parents' car, and I'm not from here. I'm from Wesley Chapel, so I didn't know, like, I wasn't looking at the speed limit.
Well, I'm not trying to be rude to you, man, but the speed limit's the same all over the state.
I'm so scared right now. I'm about to piss
Okay.
my pants.
So,
Yeah.
all right, listen, turn around for me. I'm going to place you under arrest.
Wait.
Turn around. I'm going to place you under arrest for reckless driving. You're driving way too fast, ma'am. You nearly took out the pedestrian. You're driving 91 and a 35. I can't let you not go to. You have to go to jail for that. There's a line and you crossed it. All right. You can walk back here, please. How far is your mother to get her car? How long would it take her to get here?
A while. What's happening?
So we're
right
going to
now?
impound your car.
Well, can you tell her that?
Yes, I will. Please have a seat. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
You sure?
No.
You're not sure?
I don't have anything in my pockets.
All right. So at this time, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have that lawyer with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yeah.
Having your rights in mind, you wish to talk to me now.
Yeah. So
Okay.
what happens with this? Like, when do I
Well, I
get
want to ask
bailed
you.
out? I'm
Okay,
confused.
so why were you driving? I had you at 91 and a
I'm
35.
sorry. Like, I don't know.
Why were you driving like that?
I don't
You were running
know.
late to go to a friend's? Is that what you said something like that earlier?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say, like, honestly.
Okay, so you're running late to go to a friend's and you were doing 91 and a 35 and this is your mother's car?
So far, we're getting out here.
Is that basically what you were saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So in Florida, there's a new law. It's a super speeder law. If you're doing 50 over the speed limit, okay, it's a misdemeanor. You're going to go to jail. I don't have a choice. I can't give you a warning or a ticket.
Fine.
So I'm just telling you. Okay? Like I can't just let you go when something like that because
I don't understand why you can't give me just like a ticket.
because I'm explaining to you. There's a new law called super speeder and you almost took out a pedestrian, ma'am. So you have no business being behind the wheel driving like that. Okay? And if I give you a ticket, you're never going to learn anything.
Yes. What do you mean?
So we're going to be going to the jailhouse.
Like,
I'm gonna search you real
yeah,
quick.
it's fine.
Go ahead and face the vehicle over here. Yeah. You got a bra on?
Yeah.
Nothing stuffed in there?
No.
You understand if you go to jail and you have anything?
I don't have anything.
I'm just trying to explain to you that if you go to
I
jail
don't
and you
understand
have...
why I'm going to freaking jail right now.
Please explain it.
I'm trying to explain to you if you have anything on you, that's an additional charge, okay? So if you have anything, we can work with that now.
Yeah, it's nothing.
And your stance? Alright, go ahead, back in the car. Where do you live at?
I live in Wesley Chapel. It's about like 45 minutes north.
So what were you doing all the way down here?
I was just going to my friend's house.
Where's your friend live?
Like 1 minute away. Like left.
Like down here on
Like,
the beach?
yeah, like right, like there.
Okay. Where, like, you still live at home with your parents and
Yeah.
everything? Do they know what you're up to right now?
I told them because I left my mom's other pair of keys like with him. So my purse and my other pair of keys are with him. So they
With
thought I
who?
was with the guy that I'm going to see now.
I already read Miranda.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is a guy friend that you were going to meet.
Yeah.
So why were you, what was the point of all the driving? What was the point?
I don't know. I guess I was just trying to like get home quick.
Okay. Where did you pick up all that wine at?
The store.
On the way?
Mm-hmm.
So there's two bottles. Did you have the one and
No,
open
I
the
already
half?
drank both of those. Like at home.
You drank them both at home before
Yeah.
you left?
Yeah.
Okay. Because, I mean, there's one that's completely empty in there, and then there's one that's half
I
empty.
already did that test, so I don't know, like, why these questions are being asked. Like, I just want to go to jail and then get this done with. I don't know what the fuck is happening right
All right. Well, why don't you take a couple breaths, calm yourself down, all right? We were just trying to figure out what's going on, okay?
You ask her for a mother's number. What's your mother's number again?
The answer is a brand new statute. Florida's dangerous excessive speeding law, the super speeder law, took effect July 1st, 2025. Before that, 50 over was a ticket you mailed in. After, it's a criminal misdemeanor with mandatory court. So when Chloe begged for a warning, she wasn't fighting the deputy. She was fighting a law that erased his discretion. The procedure is solid. He starts with a pat-down for weapons, and under the search rule from Terry versus Ohio, an officer can frisk on reasonable suspicion someone's armed. Then come field sobriety exercises. In Florida, those are voluntary, and he's honest about it. She can say yes or no, but a no just means he decides on what he's already seen. Here's where human thinking matters. Legally, the deputy is clean. A near miss with the pedestrian at 91 and a 35 gives him probable cause for reckless driving. But he explains the superspeeder law 4 or 5 times to a girl who's panicking. The law backed him, but repeating it while she spiraled never helped. His problem wasn't the law, it was communication.
I guess. I don't know. I'll call her in a minute. All right.
Thank you.
Step out, please. All right, listen. I know I checked your eyes. I didn't see nystagmus, but if you're, chugging wine.
I'm not chugging wine.
I'm saying.
Tired. I want to go home.
Okay, but you got open wine container.
Okay, well, we can do the whole eye thing again.
Okay, I'm gonna have you do more than that. Okay, I'm
Okay,
gonna have
that's
you do
fine.
I'm gonna have you walk the line and all that. You willing to do that?
Sure, we can do that.
I'm trying to take the cuffs off you now.
Okay.
Let me turn them. All right. So I'm going to reposition my vehicle so I can get a better shot. Katie, can you walk over
You can
there?
use mine if you want.
I
That's fine,
refuse
we'll
to
do
do this. So
You don't
can
want
we
to?
just go to the jail? Like, I'm so done with this. Like, take me to the fucking
If
jail.
you
Okay.
want- so this is the deal.
Like, no, bro. Like, what is this?
Wait,
No,
like I said,
breathing. Like,
Yeah, you're really emotional right now.
Because this is like,
All right, no, here's the deal. So I'm asking you to submit to field sobriety. I already checked your eyes, okay? But there's other process to it. It's not just the eye check. There's other exercises. You have the right to say yes or no.
okay, and what happens if I say no?
Then I have to base the decision based on what I see.
Okay, well, I'm emotional because I just got arrested, maybe.
Okay, so I'm not trying to be mean to you, man, but I need an answer. Do you want to submit to field sobriety, finish the field sobriety, or do you not?
Bro, it's like whatever at this point.
I'm
like,
asking you. That's whatever's not an answer.
Sure, let's
Okay.
do this freaking test.
All right, we're gonna walk over here.
Like,
Yeah,
imagine.
Yeah, it's right now.
That's insane.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
Okay, you can stop.
27.
All right. We're gonna walk back over to my car.
I was too distraught to hear you the first time.
All right, please place your hands behind your back. Hang on. I don't want to tighten these and hurt you, so just be careful. I'm gonna lock them before they tighten. You already checked her? Okay. Have a seat, please. I'm gonna call your mother.
How long am I gonna be in freaking jail?
I don't know. I'll let you know. You'll know more when you get
Like-
there. I won't know. You won't know till you get there. Depends on how busy they are. I'm not gonna do the DUI.
I think it's a listening issue. I don't think
Yeah.
it's a
I don't think it's a. Yeah. I didn't see. I have yet to smell anything.
Okay, I really have to use the bathroom though.
I get that. I'm sorry to tell you, but it's gonna be a little bit when we get to the jail, alright?
Okay, but so what do I do now?
Hold
Like-
it as long as you can. And if you can't hold it no more, then so be it. Alright, are you able to bend at the elbows at all? Yeah, there we go. Can't move your hair just a little bit while I get this ball around.
Patrol 3.
Alright, you can relax now. Like I said, we're gonna move the handcuffs from the back to the front. So that way you can stabilize yourself in the truck. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of time.
Like, what is this, Mom?
This is just procedure we do
This
this.
is just like ridiculous.
Let me just figure it out. It's kind of a weird spot. Actually, yeah, that might help.
Thank you.
I'll just start getting in here.
Your phone, your debit card, and your citations are in that bag, okay?
Like, this is fucking insane.
This is just the transport vehicle, alright?
She's doing 91 and a 35, and it's my fault.
Before questions, he reads her rights. Under Miranda versus Arizona, custody statements count only if she was warned and waived knowingly. The counterargument: can a terrified kid mumbling, "Yeah," really waive knowingly? Probably. The bar is low. Then wine bottles surface, but the eye test shows no nystagmus. And under Graham versus Connor, there's no force. So it lives or dies on procedure. Look at both people. The deputy is by the book. He double locks the cuffs, moves them to the front, and stays calm while she falls apart. Humane work, but he let a scared kid stay scared too long. Chloe cooperates start to finish and finally owns it. It's my fault. That accountability counts. But empathy can't erase the danger she put on everyone that night. 3 lessons. 1. Know which laws strip discretion. Cross 50 over and the super speeder law erases an officer's leniency. 2. Field sobriety is voluntary, but a no still lets him build a case on what he sees. 3. After the Miranda warning, your words are evidence, so stay calm and quiet with your mouth. Drive like the statute is watching, because now it is. Thanks for watching.